Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Conrad Sama ubadiru National President ke National People's Party NPP habakrana Jingwan priang buram saka party yau ba Ronnie V Lingdo u MLE na Mynsiem ubala no eka Congress haka santari unailar araja arpusan ulaong baka Jingwan Īasoh ki Nongïalam kanang Mynsiem yaka party bakan Trei kam khambha Shuh. Ulaong baka thong kalong baki brio kin don ka jingsanya haka party bat kin ong baka dei ka party ka bala banyalam khmat ya ka jala bat haka roi ka par salonsar. Haka ni Jingwan laya don lang ru dau ba prestun tensong usembut menteri rangba bat state president ka National People's Party Meghalaya ki menteri sarkar ki MLE ki badai na ka party ki nongket kam bah khmat lem ki wei pat.
And this is something that my late father used to always tell me, that no matter what you want to do in life, God always has a plan for you. And those plans will go as per His plans. And I believe that He has a plan for us. And that's the reason why we are here today. Like they say in politics, there is no permanent enemy and there is no permanent friend. What is permanent for us is the commitment that we have towards our people, our state, and our country. And I think that is the driving force, and that is the principle on which every single individual who's present here on the stage and off the stage believe, are committed to, and have been working towards that principle. Baroni, I take this opportunity to welcome you once again to the family of the National People's Party. I also would like to thank and welcome your family members. I know that decisions like these are not simple. And family plays a crucial role in supporting you in those difficult times to be able to take that decision that will change the entire dynamics of politics, not just in Mynsiem constituency, but in the state as a whole. I would like to thank a special person who happens to be the working president of our state, Hamletson Dolling. As much as it was a difficult decision, an important decision for Baroni and his team, it was equally an important and a challenging decision for Hamlet also. And I must tell you, I have been through these phases many times. I may be very young compared to many of our senior leaders in age, but because of the different political positions, administrative positions that I hold, a lot of difficult situations come in front of me. And I've seen many reactions, some positive and most not so positive. And we have that task of handling those tough decisions. But I must tell you, when I sat with Hamlet and discussed these issues with him, of course, he was concerned. He said, I'll speak to my leaders, which is the right thing to do. But most importantly, he saw the larger good for his people, for his constituency, for the state, and according to him, most importantly, for the party. And so I want to specially thank Bar Hamlet for his magnanimity, I must say, in really embracing this particular situation and realizing the importance of this for the people of Mynsiem constituency, for the party, and for the state as a whole. So thank you, Bar Hamlet, for all the support that you've given. I also would like to thank all his leaders. I know the past has been challenging, but as we move forward and see the larger purpose in certain situations and certain decisions that we have to take, and therefore I appeal to each and every leader, supporter and worker of our party, because all of us are now together, that let us always keep in mind that whatever we do is for the larger interest of the people of our constituency and of our state. And every decision we take must be driven by our desire to be able to do good for the people of our constituencies and of the state and the party as a whole. So I do hope there may be challenges. Let's not, be shy about it. There may be challenges. We'll have to work together. We'll have to compromise. We'll have to sacrifice. But I'm sure with the kind of maturity that I've seen in all the leaders that we have worked with, I'm sure that we will overcome all these challenges. Friends, as a party, we have seen that the National People's Party has been growing from strength to strength. Yes, we have our challenges. There is nothing in life without challenges. But as a party, we have always embraced these challenges with a positive mindset. I tell you, we don't allow negativity to affect us. Never. There is so much of negativity around that sometimes you would expect that everybody would just give up in one way and just allow this negativity to become more toxic. And I keep telling our party leaders, we have to be different. We cannot be like everybody else. We have to take things in a positive manner. We have a huge responsibility on our shoulders. I keep telling people in the last 7 years, with the opportunity that God has given us, the people have given us to lead our state into a better future for our people and for our future generation. We have faced numerous challenges, but never would you have seen Preston Tinsong or any of our MLAs or any of our leaders in any way being depressed or looking down or being negative. Yes, we may say a few things in public speech, which is natural, but we never allow the negativity to come into us. And that is what has defined the mindset with which the National People's Party is moving forward. And that's the reason why today, all of you and different leaders are seeing that difference in the way our party functions, in the way our party is today governing our state. We are a party that believes in development-based politics. Our different programs, policies, different mission mode programs, different infrastructure works, which many people in the past would have thought is not possible in Meghalaya, have been made possible because of the positive mindset, the commitment towards our people, and our relentless hard work that we have done in this past many, many years. And today, with the joining of all of you, I'll tell you, we are more motivated to work even harder. And I assure you that we will work even harder. And we will overcome those difficulties and challenges not by negativity, but by convincing people that yes, the National People's Party is truly different. They are truly a party that is developing our state. And this is the only party which we can trust to take our state forward. And friends, I can assure you that today, every single person present out here, every single member who has joined us and been with us and worked with us, every single person will commit ourselves, as I said, to take our state forward and to take our country forward.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat akabathau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.